Sorry, the video is cut. I accidentally pressed the button. It's power. Okay, let's try. Let's try to spin. See? It's working now. Let's check if it's working later. This is the drain pump. Pump is working now.
بس هذا ممكن يكون فيه بطارية أو شيء. لا بطارية أو دايما ممكن يكون فيه خراب. على طول شغل هذا مع النفرات. الحين بس يجي مشكل هذا. لا بس هذا بطارية أو ديمو مع الكهرباء. لا خلي شغل هذا بس مو هذا مو نفس. خلي شغل على طول. شوف هذا ولا هذا.
See, it's working.
من كهرباء هذا من كهرباء كده إيه هذا.
It's working now.
هذا ولا الموجود الجديد. هذا ما في. هذا أبو يوسف. وين أقول؟ وين؟
I stand before you.
A few moments later.
The control of Samsung I removed. Sorry for my English guys ha. Let's check the start button. This is the start. Let's check this control. The switch. It's already 12. Keep on watching guys ha. Sorry I have no tripod. Maybe tomorrow I'll buy.
Hindi na mo.
Ang kanyang sabi. Lagpang lang yun.
Ano size kaya anak mo? Ha? 14? 14 na.
I just can't believe that you were mine. You just a dream, yeah, I want you. Sorry for my English guys ha. Okay, let's check the switch if it's working or not. Okay, this is the switch to terminal. It's called solder. See, it's not, the connection is not good. See, the camera is not good also. Maybe that's not only the problem. Let's try to solder that. I'll try to check. See, it's working. The switch is okay. The switch is okay. Maybe the problem is the connection is loose. See, let's try. Let's try to solder that. I think it's gonna be fine. Okay. See? Let's put it back. Soon I'll be good in English. I'll try to study English to get better in English. back. Muna lang. Okay. The position of the knife is and then I miss you forever. Yeah, miss you, girl. It's working fine. Let's try. Good. It's okay. Push back the screw. Did I put up the first one? Let's try it first. Let's try. Let's try it, guys. After that, I'll try to screw it better. Kay ganda. Let's put
One eternity later.
Hello everyone, we have a Samsung here, 12 kilograms Samsung EcoBubble. This is a inverter front load washing machine. The problem is the start button is not working. The machine can start, but some functions is working. See, some controls is okay. Let's check. It's okay. It's working, but if we start the machine, nothing happened. Let's try. Take a look. This is spin program. Let's start, but nothing happened. Okay. The problem of this machine may be this button or control. Some other brand of Samsung commonly problem is IPM. Let's check the IPM if it's shorted or not. Let's check. This is the proper way how to check the IPM. Listen carefully, guys. put ground wire, put ground black probe on the negative of the diode or negative of the capacitors, and then the red one on the 3 terminal of T1, T2, T3 of the motor output, of the IPM output, IPM output. Let's check. It must be balanced. Let reverse the test probe. It's not touching properly. It's not touching. It must be touch the terminal connection. Let's check. I have no tripod. Sorry guys, I have no tripod. Let's try again. It's not touching. Must be touching the negative. Dali. I'll take the thing. Just a minute guys. Take it to your heart. Sorry for my English guys. Maybe soon I'll be good in English. Okay, let's try. Let's start again. See? 451. Nasa terminal 1. 451 terminal 2. That's good. Let's try to reverse the probe. It must be no reading at all. If there's a reading in the reverse side, IPM sa parap mo. See? IPM is good. Let's remove this control. We need to remove the control, brother. I stand before you. We need to take this control and check this button. Okay, I'll be back, brother.